Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Roblox on school Chromebook. So you have to do nothing. You have to just go to the Chrome web store, and here you have to click on the first icon, right? And after that, it will open, and here you have to read and write, and make sure that you write without any space between the words, right? And after that, you have to just hit the enter, and you will get this read and write, basically this violet color, and you have to just click on here and make sure that you add to the Brave or add to the Chrome. It's already added, that's why it's saying to remove from Chrome. And you have to do one more thing. You have to open up one more tab here. So basically you have to paste the link here which I have gave you in the description, and just hit the enter, and you will get this kind of interface, and it will say, so basically guys, you have to not log in here. You have to click on sign in option, and you will get this kind of information. So just click on the GitHub, sign in with the GitHub, and after that you have to not sign in here also. You have to just click on this icon which is of GitHub, and here you will get this open source, and just go to the topics here, and after that you will see to this kind of interface. So you have to scroll to the down to the bottom, and somewhere you have to find Google, right? So just click on load more, and here just scroll to the little bit down and just click on load more again, and here you will find this Google. So just click on the Google, and after that it will redirect to you, and here you will be able to see www.google.com. so just click on here, and here you will get this completely new google.com, and this is not recorded here, right? So basically you can just open the Roblox here. So I will just search Roblox and just hit the enter, right? And here I can just click on here on the Roblox, and just let me, and here you have to log in here, and after that login you can just play your Roblox, right? So this is how you can just use this feature. So just let me close it, and this is it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.